Greenland, a land of extremes. Its vast wilderness stretches from towering ice sheets to rugged mountains and sweeping fjords. As the largest non-continental island on Earth, Greenland holds one of the last great frontiers for science and exploration. Beyond the glistening ice, vast ice-free regions unfold in the far north. At first glance, the landscape seems barren, but a closer look reveals a patchwork terrain shaped by cycles of freezing and thawing. Milky blue rivers wind their way through the brown landscape, transporting meltwater and sediment to the ocean. In the summer, meadows burst with life, while larger animals roam the endless landscape. But beneath the surface, hidden within exposed cliff faces, lie ancient caves, silent witnesses to a time long before the ice sheets arrived. These caverns, shaped by water in a much warmer and wetter climate, are over 20 million years old. The caves first came to modern attention during aerial reconnaissance missions in the 1950s. However, the early cultures of North Greenland that lived in the region thousands of years ago likely gazed upon these ancient features. In the decades that followed, cave explorers, so-called speleologists, began to document and explore the caves. In 1960, a team of American geologists mapped 12 caves in Grottedalen on Kronprins Christian Land. Later in 1983, a team of French speleologists explored additional caves in the region. In the 21st century, a new wave of expeditions began. In 2015, the Greenland Caves Project, led by Professor Gina Mosley of the University of Innsbruck, Austria, embarked on a reconnaissance mission. After years of fundraising, the team set off on an adventure, including landing a twin otter in rugged terrain, inflating boats, crossing lakes, and hiking for 3 days to reach the caves. Although they spent only 3 days at the site, they managed to explore 26 caves during that time. Some sparkled with stunning ice formations. Others contained animal skeletons. Most striking were the calcite mineral deposits that form only through dripping or flowing water. Today, North Greenland's environment is described as a polar desert with frozen ground and little rainfall. Yet, these ancient formations tell a different story. A time when Greenland was warmer and wetter, with forests and no ice sheets. In 2018, the Greenland Caves Project joined the top-to-top global climate expedition, sailing to Ittoqqortoormiit in East Greenland. After waiting for weather and sea ice conditions to improve, they spent only 2 days exploring the peninsula of Vigenahellø. Unfortunately, they found no ongoing caves. Sometimes that is the reality of exploration. Undeterred, a larger interdisciplinary team returned in 2019. Over 2 weeks, they discovered many new caves and collected valuable samples, including insects to study the area's unique species. In 2023, the project embarked on its most challenging expedition yet, this time to Wolfland, North Greenland. Here, the cave entrances are huge, located hundreds of meters above the valley floor. One cave, photographed in 1958, had intrigued explorers for decades, but no one had managed to access it until now. 65 years after its first photo, a team of 4 descended into the cave, rigging ropes down a sheer cliff face. The team found a cathedral full of boulders. High above their heads, birds flew around, and smaller passages descended into darkness. Over several days, the team documented the huge cave in the cliff face as well as others. These ancient caves are windows into a world that existed long before the ice sheets. They are time capsules, holding secrets of climates long past and clues to the future. Every expedition reveals a piece of this puzzle. The frontier may be remote, but the discoveries made here will resonate far beyond Greenland. The caves are waiting, and so too is the future.